All right. So what can we see here? Coins. We have, you can see the plants growing, right? So what comes in mind? The coins are getting more and more. It is investment. Yeah. So when you invest something, you see very small, and then it grows. And what is involved here? Mathematics. It's simple interest. Okay. So we have here the lesson objective. Right at the end of the lesson, students are expected to be able to calculate first the simple interest on the investment and the final balance. Okay. So, of course, if you invest something, then it will earn simple interest, right? So your investment will grow, just like the one that you've seen with the plant growing and with the number of coins getting more and more. Okay, so that's investment. All right. So there are 5 steps that we mentioned last time in working out for the interest. So first one, we need to list the key information in the given problem. Okay, so we have the principal, the rates, the rate which needs to be converted into decimal by dividing it by 100. And then we also have the time, wherein the time is per annum, okay, or every year. So if the time is expressed in, say, months, like 30 months, we need to convert that into years by dividing it by 12 by 12. Okay. So second up, we need to write down the formula. Next, we have the formula. And next one, we have to substitute the values into the formula. And then we key in the values into the calculator and get the answer. Okay. So final answer in step 5. All right. So we have one problem here to work on. Okay. So the problem is here. Alan and Rachel plan to invest some money for their child, Kaylin. They invest 4,000 for 30 months in a bank that pays 4.5% per annum. Calculate the simple interest and the amount available at the end of the 30 months. Okay, so what you can do to get the necessary information? You can, of course, underline them. So underline, and those. Okay. So step 1, we said that we need to write them down. So we have the principal. How much? It is 4,000. Okay. Next one, rate is 4%. Now we need to convert that. And to convert, we have to divide it by 100. And so in the end, we get 0.045. Okay. And then the time is 30 months. So what do we do to convert it into years? We need to convert it by dividing it by 12. So the time now becomes 2.5. Okay. So step 2, we get the formula. That's our formula there. SI equals P times R times T. Okay, step 3, substitution. Okay, so we now substitute SI. We're working on that. Then the principal, we get it from the first step there, 4,000. The next one, we have the rate, which is 0.045. And the time, which is 2.5. Okay. Step 4, key in the values and operations into your calculator, and the calculator will give you the final answer. So step 5, what are our answers there? We are looking for the simple interest and then the amount available. All right. So we have now the simple interest is 450. And the total amount is equal to, you have the principal plus the interest there, which is equal to 4,450. Okay? And that's done. All right. So what's up here? We're going to do the practice, and you have to apply the 5 steps. Okay? So that's your job now. Okay? I'll leave those 2 problems with you to solve. Thank you.